is going to be a great year for DIY projects.
What's going on, guys? This is Darius Sinocula of DIY Power Couple.
And there has been so many things that has happened since the last time we got together.
Yeah. So you're about to get a sneak peek of some of the DIY projects that we're going to get into this year.
Okay, guys, so let's take a look inside. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the first room. One of the projects that we're gonna do. This is the dining room area full of wallpaper from the top all the way to the bottom on all of the walls. So let us know, would you paint this? Would you wallpaper over it? Should we do our peel and stick? Because we do like that. It also has carpet in this room, and we either will keep it or put some vinyl flooring. You know, we love that interlocking flooring. Let us know in the comments. So this is room 1, and this is the dining room. All right, so this is one of the largest spaces that we will have to DIY. You see that we have white walls. So what color do you think we should go with this theme? We have a fireplace here. We have a vaulted ceiling and a fan. With this carpet being a little bit older and having stains and everything, we will probably take the carpet up. So this is room number 2, the living room. Leave comments below of what you think we should do here. It has a little foyer here, and it looks like it has some like laminate floor right here. And a little closet here. So it's a small kind of closet. We might update this a little bit.
Yeah, that's nice.
All right, so let's go down the hall and see what we've got going on. Follow me. Let's go to this small bathroom. What you can see here is we have some more wallpaper. And if you guys have ideas of what you can do with wallpaper, that would be great, because we're still figuring out if we're going to paint over it or wallpaper over it. We'll probably change out the toilet. We haven't decided if we're going to repaint this fiberglass tub or not. So you can check out that video of what we did in our own home with the fiberglass tub. With the condition of this vanity, we'll probably keep it and just paint it, change out some hardware, and then maybe frame the mirror. And look at this, it's even a bonus. The floor is ceramic. So a lot of you guys asked about what you can do if the floor is ceramic. Can you peel and stick over that? So we're gonna see what we're gonna do here. We have a little crack on the ceramic right here, and we'll take a look at what we can do to make this floor pop, what colors we can do, if we need to change out this hardware. But it is going to be a lot of fun. We can't wait to do some of these DIY projects. This will be room number 3, but it will actually probably be the first room that we DIY, our first DIY project.
Okay, guys, so we switched up. So over here in bedroom number 4, this is a nice sized room. One of the things that we're thinking about doing is turning it into an office/bedroom. And you know, we were thinking about changing out the lighting, the flooring, and doing something with the walls. And so we wanted to know, what would you guys do with bedroom number 4? Okay guys, we're gonna show you our second room, and this is number 5. So we're thinking about making this the guest bedroom. This is like a blank canvas. I mean, you could do literally anything with DIY in this room. So we wanna know if you have any DIY project ideas or home improvement products that you like to use, let us know in the comment section so that we can take a look at that.
There's so much we can do, even with decor. Like, we need help. We're gonna need a lot of help with this. So
we hope that you guys will enjoy looking at how this room's transformation turns out.
it's about to be a lot of before and afters. This is the linen closet, and it's just, everything is in good condition. It has the wire racks. We can do something with this. So we can update these, maybe take one out, I don't know. But I am looking forward to all the things we're about to do. Okay, so let's go into the last bedroom, which is our room number 6. This is the master bedroom. Again, we have all the white walls and everything. And we're gonna check out the master bathroom. Okay, babe, you're not gonna wanna come in here. Okay, I'm gonna let hubby show you the master bathroom.
What is it? What's going on with this master bathroom?
Take it out, check it out.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. Turn that light on. Look at all this wallpaper. There's so much wallpaper. It's wallpaper
Check it
on
out.
top of wallpaper.
Check out the bathroom, the toilet, honey.
Look at, there's different types of wallpaper. They have like two-tone wallpaper here. Look at that.
It's everywhere.
It's like two-tone, and it's just, I mean, they did it nicely. I mean, it's nicely done, but look at all that wallpaper.
It looks like it's in good condition though.
It's in good condition. This is that old school wallpaper. I mean,
How are we gonna take it off?
that's a good question. How are we going to take this off? Are we going to take this off?
Do you
So,
know how to take it off anyway?
We need to ask people if they know how to take off wallpaper. Or what would you do with the wallpaper? Look at this. It goes all the way up to the vaulted ceiling. I mean, it's like all the way up. I mean, that's a lot of wallpaper.
It's nice though. It's a nice bathroom.
It's a nice bathroom. I like all the mirrors. I mean, to me...
Well, it's nice that you can see behind yourself here.
Yeah.
They have like the gentleman's sink over here.
The gentleman's sink. This is a nice little vanity for the ladies. And you have your little garden tub over here, which is kind of cool. Look at that. That's pretty nice. Let's take a look in this closet. It's a walk-in closet. A closet that has some carpet in there. So it has a couple of racks up here. It's a nice size. Look at that. And look at this floor. This is ceramic flooring.
Okay, the reason why it's been a minute since we have, posted a long video and talked to you is because there was a lot of things that happened, since the last time.
Yeah, there's been a lot of things that our family's gone through, and so I'm just grateful that, number one, my wife is here. She went through a car wreck,
Yeah,
And
it's pretty bad.
It was a bad car wreck, and so I'm glad that she's here. She made it through there. She's still alive. She's with me and the kids, and so I'm very grateful that we're still DIY power couple.
Yeah, and it's not just DIY.
Dares.
DIY dares.
DIY dares. So
we're back.
thankful. Yeah.
Well, we didn't leave, but
Yeah,
anyway.
thankfully, you didn't leave.
We're thankful.
Yeah.
My father passed. There was just some other things that happened. You know how life can.
Throw some curveballs.
Curveballs, yeah.
But we're great catchers, so, you know.
Yeah.
And if we can't catch anything, we'll build a mitt.
Yeah.
How about that?
So this is what we're going to be doing, and we invite you guys to come along with us, and we want to hear your ideas, and we're just glad that we can still, you know, make content for you. We're looking forward to a great year of DIY projects. So now let's go to another favorite DIY area, which is the kitchen. And here we are.
The kitchen.
The kitchen is in pretty good shape. I mean, when you look at it, we have those melamine cabinets. You can change out knobs, you can paint. They have a little kind of crown molding up here. I don't think we're going to be taking out any cabinetry. So we're gonna work with these cabinets. Now, as far as the countertops, I don't know. We may do a paint or something. I mean, again, they're not in bad shape. So it seems like in this area, it just needs updates. We have wallpaper again, which is hubby's favorite thing in this kitchen. And we'll see what we're gonna do. Take a look at it. This is like the eat-in area for this kitchen, and as far as like the flooring here, the ceramic tile is in good shape. I don't know if we would do something with it. We may do a floating floor. I probably won't peel and stick here in the kitchen, but you never know, because when we did it in our kitchen, our vinyl flooring was in bad shape. And so that's why we pulled it up and put more vinyl flooring on it. But this, because it has ceramic tile already nice and grouted, and I haven't seen not one tile that has cracked, we may keep it. What do you think, babe?
We may. It's nice. I like the color.
Yeah, I really do. We'll think about what we'll do for the fixtures. And your favorite, the wallpaper. We can do a whole laundry room makeover in here. I mean, look. It's just whatever we want to do. We have all the space, everything. The flooring looks good, and it extends into the kitchen, so we'll see if we're gonna do anything with that. But we'll probably change out the light fixture. Honey, look at this. So this is where the pantry is for the kitchen, just behind the laundry door. But I don't see a light in here. There's no light, but it's a pretty decent size pantry with the wire racks and everything. We really haven't done a pantry room or a pantry makeover yet, so I need all the ideas for a pantry. So we just had a meeting. We had to, because it was a lot. We were thinking about which one should we start off with first, which room. And it was a tie between the dining room and the small bathroom.
They both have a lot of wallpaper. So I think that we should just start off with the small bathroom.
Yeah.
What do you think?
So there's a lot of different small projects in that one. The goal really is just like to update, not really to renovate everything, right?
Yeah, we're not going to be smashing walls and stuff like that, but we are going to lay down some tile maybe, or paint. We're definitely going to paint. That's one thing we're definitely going to do.
This home is like a 1996 home, and we're gonna try to bring it up to 2020s.
Yeah.
We're trying to bring it up to date and do it on a budget.
On a budget, yeah.
The most affordable way that we can possibly. And we'll sprinkle in some other projects that we're working on. We're hoping to improve our like woodworking skills, and
Yeah, we'll have to build something this year.
we're gonna build something with wood.
Yeah. We've done it before.
Yeah,
Well,
But-
a couple of times actually.
but we're really gonna do it this time.
Yeah.
And
Oh, you know what?
What?
If they have any woodworking ideas for this home,
yeah,
we'll just put it down in the comments.
you see the
because-
rooms.
Yeah.
I don't know, we're at like 12 rooms now or 10 rooms, and we're gonna update each and every one of them.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. We appreciate you guys.
And we'll see you in the next video.